Are you kidding me?
Cheers to dry crappies. Cling.
Fueling up for another adventure. Patrick and myself are going to do a little exploring today. Try to pin down some big crappies on some new turf. Saturdays are for the boys or something like that, they say. I don't know. Gotta feed the hoss here quick. Fuel up. Grab a beverage. And go poke around. We're going to be fishing in darn near blizzard. Supposed to get up to a foot of snow apparently by the end of tonight. And it's coming down pretty good now. Wind is gusting to 25 to 30 miles an hour. We're going to attempt to put up the hub house and see if she'll hold up. So we got anchors. I think we got straps. Actually, I'm not really sure if I have straps. I haven't opened up the hub house yet this year. I've only used the one-man flip over, so it's going to be interesting. It's going to be an adventure. Let's see if we can get on some big crappies. Let's go. All right. In the comfort of the Outbreak. Nice and cozy. Patrick's posted up on the wide one inside the Outbreak. Fishing comfort. Sitting on some basin crappies. See what happens. Whoa.
Oh, there you are.
Just like that. Basin crappies, reeling them up super slow. When they're 20, 25 feet down, just gotta be gentle. Are you gentle?
Oh yeah, very much so.
You seem like a gentle guy. What do we got? What do we got? A little weight. A little weight. Ooh, yeah. Boom. That's a nice crappie.
Yeah.
And that one will release very well. Here you go, bud. Bye-bye. Hold tight. Sorry. In there. New turf. Checking ice. What do we got? We got like 10 inches of ice here. Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Rock nasty.
Then. That's your flavor.
Yeah.
Little brown town.
Well, he's a little fella.
I haven't caught one that small in a long time.
I know.
Fishing in the blizzard. It's supposed to get like 10 inches of snow. Ooh, there's some solid mercs down here.
Yeah, there is.
Ooh, competition now. Oh yeah, this is gonna happen.
Here we go.
Boom. Boom. Oh, they're stacked down there. There's like 10 of them over here. We got some weight here. Little weight, little weight. Ooh, she's pulling. Oh my. Whoo. That ain't a bad one. It's about that same, what, 12 and a half? Pushing 13, maybe? Beefy. Beefy.
Dude, I think I'm going to have to switch to waxers.
Got the old plastique on?
Yeah. Oh, I got a customer right now.
Back you go.
There we go.
Can't say no. It's like cocaine. Jalapeno Cheetos. Do you like one, sir?
Yeah.
Sharing is caring, they say. Here comes a sniffer.
Yep.
Oh boy!
Wow.
And that's how windy it is today. You almost lost your GoPro in the water. Oh. This may be a bigger one here.
You on too?
It was. Here we go. Here we go. Oof. Yeah. This might be a good one.
Yeah, I think I got a good one too here.
She's pumping brakes. Buddy.
Ho, 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 ho! Dude! It is a freak! It is a tank. It's not 15, I'll tell you that.
Look at the build on that thing.
This thing has got to weigh close to 2 pounds. I am not even kidding. We got to get a measurement somehow. Do you have anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you kidding me? Those are twins. Oh my goodness.
Hey.
Mega mouse.
Cheers to dry crappies. Cling. Okay. We're gonna get a couple of fish measured up
We
here.
gotta figure out our life here quick.
Yeah.
Guys.
Man. Okay.
What? Holy smokes.
Order.
But built like Brian Urlacher. The Jerome Bettis of crappies. Oh my gosh, dude. Ooh. Bye bye, mama. Oh my gosh. Okay, dude. Come on.
Get big old girl.
Might be a big one. Ooh. Yep.
All right.
Bandon. Love it.
I'm just jigging a foot or two above. Oh, missed him.
It's fun to mix it up. We haven't fished these basins yet.
Connected. This was a high rider. Wow, dude.
Jeez.
Wow.
Minnesota crappies. It's hard to beat. Oh, they are just thick, pretty fish.
Heck, growing a little bit. Just
With
12-inch fish.
Check out the chaos.
Yeah, it's taking me a little while to get down there, but they're just hanging out. We're fine.
Not any longer.
Ooh, I gotta get down there. 5'4".
Gotta respect these fish. They're a caliber all of their own. Come on, Betty. Where you be? I don't know. A good crappie bite on first ice is pretty tough to beat. Wouldn't you say?
Oh, absolutely, man.
Crappie fishing's fun all year, but breaking out the ice gear and putting a whooping on them right away.
Well, I got some flickering.
Cheeto time.
Get it?
Big crappies and jalapeno Cheetos. That's a pretty lethal combination, isn't it? It's a gosh darn blizzard out there. The old Outbreak, keeping us nice and dry out of the wind. It's not cold, like you were saying earlier. It's just getting out of that wind. Keep it off your face.
Yeah.
Oh. God, the screen just reloads. Sometimes it pays to jump around. Sometimes it just pays to sit still. Little boy.
I got
Little
more
boy.
down here.
Bye-bye, Junior. Got the competition now. Boom.
Got him.
Got him.
Have my plastics quit on me. Mark's here. I got nothing.
Yes. S&P. Let me
Nice
be.
one.
That's beautiful fish. Get her back. Fire down. Get another one. Okay, this is a donkey. Eat it. I think this might be a good one. I got a decent one. Oh, big red line. Big red line. Come on, baby. Just digging. Oh, pull and drag even.
No
What
way,
do
you
we
got
got?
walleye, dude.
Oh no, giant crop. Giant crappie.
There's still
Come
some more
on.
down there. We got about 7 minutes left.
This is a Brutus.
Oh my lord, dude. Wow.
Ding! Is that what they say nowadays? Wow.
You guys want to see something?
Ooh-wee.
Look at this. I got a couple fish here, but Dude, check out this fish.
That is a wide-bellied feller.
Look at that thing.
That dude doesn't miss many meals.
No.
Freakzilla, let's go. There you go, buddy.
Oh.
Giant. That's gonna do it. It's blizzarding, it's windy, it's snowing. Had a little crappie action, some bays and crappies. Poking around, finding a Sasquatch over here. Long walk, we're gonna hoof it back. I'm already tired just putting the house back in the bag. How about you? We gotta get a gym membership or something. Bays and crappies, poking around, new turf. It's time to walk back. Like pioneers settling the west. Like a pack mule. Ugh! Ugh! Thank you guys for watching the videos. Truly appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.